Here's how to create a reminder in your stream if no one has redeemed any channel points for a period of time. Create two buttons. One of them is going to be the redeem detection, and the other is redeem reminder that will trigger periodically to see if we need to remind chat to redeem something. Here's the settings for the redeem detection. I name my buttons redeems R underscore, and this is R detect, meaning redeem detect. Local variable persist. Redeem reminder button settings. My button ID is R underscore R reminder, stands for redeem reminder. Take note of the button ID for the redeem reminder, and then check local variable persist. Open up redeem detect triggers. For the triggers, I have a channel point redemption with a wildcard asterisk here. So any channel point redeem is going to trigger this redeem detection button. But also I have detecting when the stream starts, because this is going to create a timestamp whenever there is a redeem. And we need to start out that timestamp at the start of stream. Maybe no one has redeemed anything yet. Edit the commands for the redeem detect button. Add a get date time command with a format of curly braces with a capital X. That is the Unix timestamp format, and save it into a variable named last underscore redeem underscore time. The next command is set button variable. We are taking that value of the last redeem time, assigning it to the redeem reminder button ID into a variable of the same name, last redeem time. So now at this point, that button is going to have a variable with the value of this Unix timestamp. The alert message here is just for visuals to see the alerts in SAMMI to make sure the date and time is functioning properly. So here I have used date time math. I am taking the date time value of the last redeem time, which is a format of the Unix timestamp, and placing it into this variable name last redeem formatted. And the format I'm using is selected here. Then I say message last redeem and then the time. I can run this button now as if someone redeemed something, and we can see that the last redeem time has been recorded as of right now. Save that button. Set the triggers for the redeem reminder button to be a repeat interval of every 60,000 milliseconds, which is every 60 seconds. And it's going to get the date time and the Unix format and place it into a variable called current time. Then we have an if statement. If last redeem time is empty, because if for some reason that redeem detection button didn't set a date time yet, we can go ahead and do that now. Then a command date time difference, the value of the difference between the current time and the last redeem time in a unit of minutes, is going to be put into this variable time underscore diff. And here is just an alert message to show that everything is working whenever SAMMI shows an alert for this button running. So now that the difference in time is recorded in this variable, we have an if statement. If the time difference is greater than or equal to 30, which would be 30 minutes, then enable the visibility of your alert for as long as needed, put a delay, and then make it invisible. Or you can put a chat message here or whatever you want to happen, and then get the current time to reset the last redeem time to be right now when this reminder happens. It'll be another 30 minutes again if no one redeems anything. It'll do a reminder. If someone redeems something, that redeem detection button is going to update the last redeem time variable, and this redeem reminder button will run every 60 seconds to check. And then if no one redeems anything again, 30 minutes will have passed. This time difference in the if statement will be true, and then your alert, such as an OBS source or a chat message, will be shown. And I have a test redeem here. I'm going to redeem that. We can see the last redeem has been recorded with that redeem detection button. And that redeem reminder is still firing off. It just showed us the difference is 0.12 seconds. I can manually run it right now. We can see that the difference is climbing. Let's make the difference be 1 minute since the last redeem, and it'll send us a reminder. 0.67, 67 difference. 1 minute is about to have passed since I did a test redeem. I haven't redeemed anything else yet.
If you don't quit doing the asshole shuffle and pick one of these goddamn options, I'm gonna come over there and put my boot up your ass.
And the time difference was shown as 1.12 minutes, and that is greater than 1. So the redeem reminder displayed.